In this tutorial, you will learn how to fix the errors. Lost connection to host and server connection, timed out in Call of Duty Black Ops 6.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open Network and Internet. Open Proxy. Disable Automatically Detect Settings.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following commands: ipconfig/release. Press Enter. ipconfig/renew. Press Enter. ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply the changes.